Let's do some 90-90 breathing. You want to use a wall or a chair and have a rolled up yoga block and put it between your knees. Should be about 4 inches wide. Your legs are at a 90-degree angle with your feet, either on a chair or wall, and your feet should be spaced slightly wider than the hips. Make sure that your feet are even on the chair or wall and that your knees are even also. You should be able to see the same amount of leg on each side, so you should be even. Think about squeezing the yoga block or towel between your inner thighs. And it's common to lose connection with these particular muscles. So bring your hands down to your inner thigh muscles, and you should be able to feel those inner thigh muscles working. Now take your hands and place them on your hip flexors, kind of your front pockets, and squeeze to feel if those hip flexors are tight or are they soft. Also feel your quads. Are they tight or are they soft and squishy? They should be soft and squishy. If they're not, think about pulling down from the wall or getting a lower chair so that your knees can lift ever so slightly. This should help to engage the back of your hamstrings. So again, feet wider than hips, your knees are pointing in a little bit, and your inner thighs are squeezing, your hip flexors are relaxed, your feet are at a 90-degree angle on a chair or wall, and you want to engage the back of your legs. So adding the breathing, place your hand on your rib cage, and you want kind of a couple fingers in the front and then a couple fingers in the back so that you can kind of feel what's going on. With a deep inhale, you should feel everything relax, including your pelvic floor. And when you exhale, you should feel those ribs come down and the inner thighs should be squeezing. Now, on the inhale and exhale, I want you to feel a few more things. With each exhale, I really want you to focus on feeling the ribs coming down and in. On that inhale, make sure you're getting full rib expansion, that your abs are moving, that they're filling up with air, and that your pelvic floor is relaxed, and anything that can be relaxed should be relaxed. On the exhale, squeeze those inner thighs. Bring your breath through the pelvic floor. Zip up through the abs. Try holding your exhale for 3 to 5 seconds.